Right, we're now going to have a go at a second experiment, which is called blobs in a bottle, and we're going to try and make our very own lava lamp. What you need for this experiment is a bottle. It doesn't need to be as big as this one, and you need to fill it 3/4 full with some vegetable oil. You're then going to need a lamp, some effervescent tablets which are broken up into pieces. I just got these from Tesco's and they're just some vitamin C tablets. You'll need some water and you'll need some food colouring, preferably quite a dark colour, so we've gone for red. Once you've filled your water bottle 3/4 of the way full with vegetable oil, you're then going to add your water to the top. And what you should already know from primary school is that water and oil don't mix together. So we can already see that the oil has now got water droplets in it as bubbles, and they're starting to separate and they've sank down to the bottom. And now we're going to add the food colouring. Food colouring only mixes with water and not with the oil. So what should happen is that the food colouring is sinking down to the bottom and will start to mix with the water, but it isn't turning the oil red. And again, you need to add enough so that the food colouring is dark enough so you can see a clear difference between the oil and the food colouring. Once you've done that stage, we're going to start adding, piece at a time, of the effervescent tablets. When you add those, they'll sink to the bottom and they'll start to produce carbon dioxide gas. That carbon dioxide gas will mix with the water and the food colouring, and we should start to see the bubbles starting to rise. And they've got a mixture of water and food colouring, so we can see red bubbles starting to rise. Once the bubbles have stopped, we can add the next piece. Hopefully you can start to see now some of the bubbles rising in the oil. Once you've added all of the pieces of effervescent tablets, you can take off a filter, funnel if you have one, and add the lid back on to your bottle. Now you can see lots more bubbles starting to rise. I've added the lid and I'm going to turn it upside down and see what happens. It should now look something like a lava lamp that you might have at home. We can see the red lava bubbles that we've created rising because they have the carbon dioxide bubbles that are being produced by the effervescent tablets. That's more like a lava lamp. So the last step to make your very own at-home lava lamp is to turn a strong light on. You could either use the torch on your phone, or if you've got a torch at home, you can then hold that underneath, and what you should be able to see is more detail of the bubbles rising inside your homemade lava lamp. If you do have a go at this at home, make sure you send us a video of you having a go.